Secure the main harness connector at point 7.
Confirmed. Torque is within specification.
We have a green light on the torque specs for the forks.
Confirmed. Moving to the brake caliper check.
Gap reading is 0.05 millimeters.
Confirmed. Data logged.
The torque curve is dropping off at 8,000 RPM.
Adjusting the load now, let's stabilize it at 75%.
Hold it there. A little to the left.
All right, secure the straps now. We are clear for Bay 3.
Strap tension is good here. Okay, I've marked it complete on the manifest. Next one.
Scan complete. Everything is reading green.
Tag secured. Final confirmation.
Route optimized for Sector Gamma.
Clearance confirmed. Send the signal.
Vibration levels look stable.
Confirmed. Seal integrity is nominal across all points. Ready to approve.
The green motorcycle container is approaching transfer point 4.
Acknowledged. All systems green for immediate loading.
Looks secure, Miguel. Strapping tension is optimal. Agreed. Finalizing manifest now.
Sensor readings are nominal. Humidity is stable.
Straps are secure. Ready for transport. The internal scan shows the motorcycle is secure. Data matches the manifest.
Everything checks out. Finalizing clearance.
Locks engaged.
Data transfer complete. Handoff confirmed.
Tracking sequence initiated. Container 7 Gamma is on schedule.
Acknowledged. All parameters are green.
Telemetry is stable. We have clearance confirmed on Sector 4. Acknowledged. Proceed with release protocol.
Final checks complete on the manifest. Are we good to go?
Yes, supervisor confirmed. The green motorcycle container is cleared for transport.
Check the synchronization status for the sports bike. It shows green.
Verified. We are clear for outbound transport.
Final departure authorization confirmed.
Acknowledged. Container proceeding to launch.
The outbound movement is initiated. Tracking looks nominal.
Acknowledged. Monitor for clearance at the main gate.
The green container is approaching checkpoint 4.
Running diagnostics now. All parameters are nominal.
Monitor the stability metrics on the container.
Initiating power adjustment sequence now. Telemetry is green across the board.
Confirmed. Transfer authorization granted.
Flatbed engaging.
Check the stabilization schematic here. We have a green light.
Acknowledged. Initiating phase 2. Alignment confirmed on Unit 7.
Spacing is good. Clear to roll out.
Inertial dampeners stabilizing nicely.
Confirmed. Thermal output is within tolerance.
Temperature stable at 20 degrees Celsius. Route optimized.
Acknowledged. Finalizing transfer manifest now.
As you can see on the visualization, the current schedule optimizes the route through the regional nexus.
Confirmed. The outbound window is locked.
All systems green for the dark green motorcycle shipment.
Acknowledged. Proceed with dispatch.